Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in the 2019 Nissan Titan. This Titan is featured in the PRO-4X trim and has a white paint job. Inside the vehicle we have full sensors, blind spot monitoring, backup assist, as well as our full trailering package and in-bed lighting. Now inside the Nissan Titan, we can see that we have our chrome door handle. In front of that is our mirror control. Just below it, our window and door locks. Then we have our power windows with automatic front windows. Below we have some storage with two cup holders in the door. Moving up and left of the steering wheel, we have our light controls as well as our central dash controls. Below that we have some useful buttons. We have our headlights as well as our cargo lights. Below it, that is our lamp controls for our level, our differential locking, as well as our downhill park assist. Moving up, we have our cluster gauge. In the center, we can see that we can choose from a variety of useful information. On the left-hand side, that is all of our hands-free settings, as well as the controls to change our cluster gauge options. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, all of our cruise control settings. Moving to the center, we have our central infotainment system. Also has our backup camera and our audio and our navigation. Just below it, we can see that we have our controls for our climate. Then at the bottom of that, we have our sensors, our hazards, and our blind spot monitor. Then we have our trailering assist. We have two USBs as well as an auxiliary. We have our heated seats on either side for our front heated seats. Some storage in the center. Then we have our key fob. We can see that it has our unlock as well as our lock. We have an additional key fob. Down there we have some extra storage. We have two more cup holders. Our center console, which opens up to more storage. Our seats are black leather with the PRO-4X trim on them. And of course they are heated. Moving up to the top, we have our sunglass holder, as well as our light controls and the control for our rear window. Now walking down the side of the Titan, we can see our tires with black finished rims and Nissan center cap. Moving up, we can see our black outside mirror, as well as our black door handle with our keyless entry on it. Moving down, we can see our tubular black step. To the back of the vehicle, we do have corner steps on either side. In the center, we have our trailer hitch. On the right side, we have our connectors. On the bottom of our hitch itself, on our handle, we can see we have our backup camera. Opening up our trunk, we can see we have an easy open tailgate and a liner already pre-installed. Now into the rear interior of the Titan, we can once again see our chrome door handle as well as our window control. Just below that, we do have some extra storage with cup holders. Moving inside the vehicle itself, we can see in the front seat in front of us, we have our magazine holder. In the center, two cup holders as well as our vents. Two USBs, a 120 volt plug, as well as a 12 volt plug. The seats we can see once again are black leather. Then in the center, we have two cup holders that fold up to a third seat, so we have total seating for 5. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2019 Nissan Titan. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.